Thirikari nene kuhitukira ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni higithitie mihango yothe ya mathibitari kana honge cia andu kiumbe kurehe njanjo muthemba o wothe guku bururi-ini na uguo citigukorwo ikiheo marua ma kurehe njanjo o yothe guku bururi-ini. Akiaria na andiki a mohoro, minista wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe ni ugite itua riri rikinyaniirio thutha wa kuona njanjo ici iria cirarehagwo guku bururi-ini ciahota gukorwo citathurimitwo na kuhetukio ni ruhonge rwa kimabũrũri rwa ugima mwega wa mwiri WHO undu umwe na kanjo ya kuramata uigiririki wa dawa bururi-ini na uguo kurugamia mihango yothe ya gucirehe guku bururi-ini.
The government is effective today closing the window of private sector importation, distribution and administration of vaccines until such a time when it is confident that there is greater transparency and accountability in the entire process in the interest of public health safety.
Kagwe ni eritheirie muingi wa bururi uria urikitie guthecwo njanjo ya mbere muthemba wa Sputnik 5 kuma bururi-ini wa Russia na iria itahetukitio ni ruhonge rwa WHO kuhuthika guku bururi-ini ni megukorwo magithecwo njanjo ya keri o muthemba o uyu, akiuga kumanagia umuthi njanjo o yothe iria itathurimitwo na kuhetukio uhuthiri wayo ni ruhonge rwa WHO undu umwe na kanjo ya uigiririki wa dawa bururi-ini ndigwitikirio guthecwo muingi wa bururi.
The government assures those who have already taken their first dose of vaccines outside the government deployment plan by this date will receive their dose when due.
Oho, Kagwe ni athinyiriirie kuga njanjo ya COVID-19 muthemba wa AstraZeneca no iguthie na mbere na kuheanwo guothe bururi-ini hatari marihi na uguo gutiri thibitari cihetwo rutha rwa gutangathithia wendia wa njanjo ino na urio kunyitikana kiagarara watho uyu ndekunirwo ritho ni watho.
Any person advertising or vaccinating people for a fee will therefore be in contravention of Pharmacy and Poisons Board regulations governing emergency use authorization and the Public Health Act. As such, they will be liable for prosecution.
Na wegi raia a Kenya kugathikirwo mikana ya kuingira bururi-ini wa Ngeretha kwambiriria tariki 9 mweri uyu ni undu wa kinguki gia COVID-19. Kagwe augite ministry ya maundu ma nanja wa bururi ni iraraniria na ubaruthi wa Ngeretha guku Kenya niguo kumenya gitumi kia raia a Kenya kuheo mukana wa kurangithia maguru mao kuo.
As you know, nations across the world list in accordance with their assessment of the risk of the nationals of the different countries. So yes, we have been told today that Kenya is going to be put on the UK red list from next week. We have asked our Ministry of Foreign Affairs to engage the British so that we can provide clarity of exactly what that means.
Maya makihanikaga andu 1,851 ni mekiritwo mukonde gukorwo marwarite murimu wa COVID-19 guku bururi-ini na gukinyiri thaburia aria othe marwarite 136,893 Andu 19 ni makuite thutha wa gutorio ni murimu uyu rungu rwa mathaa 24 mahituku na gukinyaniria ithaburia aria othe makuite 2,186 na baya arwaru aria mari wodi-ini ya ICU ni 185 guku 106 makihuthira mashini cia kuhuhia riera. Kagwe agithie na mbere guikia ihoya kuri a Kenya kurumirira mitaratara iria augite noyo ingiteithiriria kunyihia namba ici.